Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to take B12 supplements. First, understand why B12 is crucial for your body. It supports nerve health and red blood cell production, preventing symptoms like tiredness and weakness. Knowing the benefits helps you appreciate the importance of proper supplementation. Let's dive into the different forms and dosages available to ensure you get the most from your B12. Next, let's discuss the different forms of B12 and their typical dosages. You'll often see cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin, with methylcobalamin being a more active form. Dosages can range from 1,000 micrograms to 5,000 micrograms daily, depending on your needs. Always speak with your doctor to determine the best form and dose for your specific health situation. To get the most out of your B12 supplement, consider these absorption tips. If you're using sublingual tablets, place them under your tongue and let them dissolve completely. For oral capsules, taking them on an empty stomach can enhance absorption. Also, try to avoid consuming large amounts of vitamin C at the same time, as it can interfere with B12 uptake. Finally, let's talk about timing and what to watch out for. Many people find it beneficial to take their B12 supplement in the morning, as it can provide an energy boost throughout the day. While side effects are uncommon, some might experience mild stomach upset. Remember to have your B12 levels checked periodically by your doctor to ensure optimal health.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.